Hello everyone, my name is Gani and today we're going to learn how to do step video recording in your Windows PC. Now, what is step Windows recording? So, for example, you are a teacher and you want to get your students on board to your Google Classroom since everybody's stuck at home, right? But some of the parents are not IT savvy and they don't know how to do it. Now, typically a teacher will just screenshot, put in the Word document and send it off to the parent and say, this is how you log in. Now, a better way to do this is you actually go to your Windows PC, mimic the action on how the parents can log into the Google Classroom. And you can use the Windows step recording to record every single action. And it comes with commentary in terms of where to click, in which button to click and how to click. So with the step-by-step guide, now that is quite helpful for you all. Or you could be a person sitting in the corporate office and you're having a bug in your machine or an application. You couldn't open your Word document and you just couldn't explain this to the IT support. Don't we all have this problem? You could actually then mimic the approach that you took when the bug actually arises in your PC. And you could just ship this document off to your IT support. Now, remember, you just need to screen record. You don't have to do anything, not even describing how you managed to click or where you clicked. Is all documented. Now, that is pretty helpful. Or you could be a tester, testing an application, or you're doing something in your machine, and you just needed to get this manual of step-by-step guide, how this application work or how your PC work, and you want to ship it out to someone. So there's a lot of use case for this. So without further ado, let's check it out. So how to access the step recorder? First things first, go to your search bar here and type step recorder. And it should be the first one here. Click on it. So you'll be presented with this box here, and that's pretty much it. So in an example for this case is you want to teach the parents how to go into Google Meet. It's easy. Just click on start record and it'll start recording all the action. So you can tell the parents that they need to go to your browser, open up a new tab and type in meet.google.com. And once they are there, they can enter a code. Now, did you see the red dot? So it means that it's tracking every single action that you do. The thing that you type, the thing that you click, every action that you do on your PC is being recorded. I'll give you an example. So enter a code. And so you can tell the parents you can get the code from my email and click on join. So that's all being recorded. And you can stop recording or can add a comment here and says that I'm going to click a box here and say, and you can see the comment box appears here. Highlight the area and comment, so you can just type, please get the code from the email. Okay, for instance, yeah. So I'm just going to type okay. So that command is going to be tied to this particular action here, and I think that's about it. Okay, so we can stop recording, and what will happen now is steps recorder will then generate step-by-step action as you can see here. So step 1, user clicked on new tab button in actually, oh, I think I shouldn't have done this, but if you have a fresh browser, you should it will only describe the user click on left button on the Microsoft Edge browser. You got to excuse me because I'm using two screens right now, so it's capturing the other screens as well. And user key input, new tab, one more page. So the new page appears, and user click on the user click in Google Meet and one more page. So you can see here each action has been automatically typed. User keyboard input and Control V delete. Okay, these are the action that I did wrongly. Even that is being captured. User click on Google Meet, one more page, and user comment, please get the code from email. So this was the code that this was the command that I typed in earlier, and it's being captured as well. So And as you can see, step by step, every single action has been captured, so you don't really need to do much. You don't even need to prepare a document. So you have this document. So now it's time to save this document, and you can save it as a zip file. So let's go ahead and save it in my desktop, say Google Meet. Okay, so what happens after you save in your desktop? So you have a zip file here. Let's unzip it. So it opens up as HTML file. Let's ignore that for now. And that's about it. So the step by step, it's actually displayed in a HTML file here. Under the format MHT format, and that's about it. So but the only setback to this is that you can't really edit your steps here. If you know things like this that you might not want to have it, you can't really edit it. And but it gives you a basic quick way of doing step-by-step guide in your PC without having to prepare a document. So it captures every single step. The only setback would see that you can't edit stuff like this, which is kind of sad. So that is how you could use a basic step-by-step recording in your Windows, and I hope that been helpful. If I find a better tool out there, I'll make sure I'll get another video. I'll produce another video.